Why does your cat freak out and meow the second you close a door on them? Simple cats hate being excluded. For them, every room in the house is part of their kingdom, so when you shut a door, it feels like you're locking them out of their own territory. Plus, cats are insanely curious, so a closed door is basically the ultimate mystery. They don't know what you're doing in there, and that drives them nuts. Some cats just want access to you, their favorite human, while others simply like knowing they're in control. That's why the moment you open the door, they might walk away like they never cared in the first place. Classic cat move, right? So what's the funniest way your cat has ever protested a closed door?